Wise login not working. Fix. Having trouble logging in to your Wise account? Do not worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you simple steps to fix Wise login issues. Step 1. Check your login details. First, double check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typos. If you have forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using a browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you're on the app, go to your phone settings and clear the app cache. Step 4. Update the Wise app. Make sure your Wise app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the app. If Wise Login is still not working after all these steps, you may contact Wise Support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.